Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, September 15th. The Zen story today is titled The Temple Made of Salt. They heard it before they saw it, the hush of waves, the slow breathing of the sea. And then, like a mirage folding itself upright, the temple rose from the sand, white, angular, glistening in the sun. A lone gatekeeper sat cross legged by the entrance, gnawing lazily on seaweed. This place looks expensive, the monkey muttered. The monk stepped forward. May we enter? The gatekeeper squinted at them. First, you taste it. Excuse me, said the monkey. The gatekeeper thumbed a hand against the outer wall. Lick. The monkey hesitated. The monk, without pause, leaned forward and pressed his tongue to the wall. Salt. Sharp, pure, electric. The monkey sniffed, then followed suit. Oh, it whispered, that's oddly satisfying. The whole temple is made of it, the gatekeeper said, but only until tomorrow. The tide? Asked the monk. The gatekeeper nodded. One more high wave and it's gone. Built every month. Dissolves every month. That's absurd, said the monkey. Beautiful things shouldn't just vanish. It always comes back, the gatekeeper shrugged. But the monkey was already gathering driftwood, stacking seaweed, dragging rocks, trying to build a barrier. We can save it, it shouted. Just need more time, more walls, maybe some umbrellas? The monk wandered the temple instead. Room by room, he tasted walls. Some were sweeter, others bitter. One made his eyes water. The monkey, covered in sand, returned with a palm leaf and a bucket. Help me, it demanded. We can preserve the sacred. But the monk just stood there, brushing salt from his lips. It was never ours, he said. And that night, the tide came. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What beauty in your life are you trying to preserve, even though it's meant to dissolve? What beauty in your life are you trying to preserve, even though it's meant to dissolve? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What beauty in your life are you trying to preserve, even though it's meant to dissolve? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.